Hello folks, welcome to another episode of gameplay here on Airsoft Ninja's channel, where I will give you footage, reviews, and strategies on airsoft parks and arenas in Southern California and beyond. Today I'm here at Warp Dops for the regular walk-on games. Now on this segment, the top smaller screen is gonna be my POV, and the larger one, which we'll come back to later, is gonna be Gadget, my friend's POV.
In the trenches, let's go! Gotcha, I'm at the front of the trenches, toward the tank.
So now, as I just said, I'm at the front of the trenches. I always push as far out as I can.
I'll wait here for you to move up. Meet me up here.
And as usual, most places would start their game with force on force, and that's what they did here.
Well, up the hill, but they can't get us. Now, two behind the barrel over there. Darn flies. Two behind those barrels over there, the wheels. A bunch of them there are inside the buildings on that side. What's Vito?
No idea. Not my fault.
Yeah. Should we move up to the tank? Don't go toward the car, that's just suicide.
Get a better look.
Okay. Move. Toward the houses in the town, beyond the car.
Go, go, go.
Uh-oh.
So my teammate just died, and I'm actually gonna be stuck in that area for quite some time until I myself die. We would then revive and meet up here, and then advance together forward.
I see him. Can't reach him. Let's go backward toward the trenches and move from the trenches.
Alright.
Let's go. Oh shoot, 1 minute. Let's move!
Here in Warp Dops, they play most of their games in one big map, which requires lots of running. You're gonna have to run through those trenches, you're gonna have to climb that big hill, you're gonna have to run through those bushes, just to make sure you gain ground before the enemy does.
Where?
I don't know.
If we stuck out, we're like rabbits target. So, how should we proceed? Crawl?
Maybe left. Start moving left. I'll stay here. Give me a clear. I'll come over.
Okay, 1 second. La 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 la.
Don't hit me!
If you can give me cover fire, I'll follow.
Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Unfortunately, that was all the footage from the first 2 games. There are some kills that we've gotten in there. Just couldn't get them on camera, which sucks.
They're not. I'm pushing up.
So in this particular game, I'm carrying the bomb, and a couple of my friends are gonna watch over my back.
Okay.
Crawl up to the next, this thing is right up there.
Can I?
I can.
Okay. Cover it. Huh, so am I. Just shooting at me. Building to the left. Front building to the left. Behind the tank.
They can hit us from here, just FYI.
Yeah, there's only one guy by that tank over there. Can we clear into that building over there? Okay, go, go, go!
All clear!
Bomb man going, bomb man going.
So I see a building in front of me, I decide to drop the bomb and go clear out that building. I'm also gonna make a little mistake here, which I apologize for. I'm gonna be firing into the building, and while I'm running in there, my finger is still kinda on the trigger.
Right, you got me.
Yeah, once again, I apologize for that. Don't do that. But sometimes it happens, which I always try to watch out for.
Alright.
Keep in mind, in any game where an attacking team has unlimited lives,
Sticking point.
take advantage of that. If you have to die often to get your objective done, so be it. It's not that big of a deal. Save up your stamina, run a little more, whatever it takes. But usually, when you keep coming back, it's gonna dwindle the enemy down.
Steven, what are you planning? Who has it?
It's right there.
Okay. Can we get a pass down there now? He's pushed. He's pushed. Let's go. This way.
Pistol. Pistol straight ahead. Hey, watch it!
Yeah, I know where it is. But yeah, he's gonna get a drop on me before I get a drop on him.
Anybody have a grenade? Hey, where's that coming from?
Left side, 2 buildings down. He's gonna get the drop on you first. Don't do it.
Anybody got a grenade?
Now really watch that door.
So now there's 5 minutes left. We're desperate to get that bomb on there.
Oh, he's on R2. Okay.
Now we've already won last round by holding the spot and making sure the enemy bomb doesn't get on the vehicle. And now we have an advantage because most of our troops are kind of surrounding the city. We have a much better chance of getting our bomb on top of the vehicle, even if...
How are we on this side?
Even if the bomb carrier dies.
Can I make it to that house over there? Probably not. Okay. Yeah, I can risk this bomb out there.
Yeah, even if the bomb carrier dies, it's not gonna be hard for someone else to pick up the bomb and throw it on the vehicle and kill the guy who killed the bomb carrier. So pretty much we've won this round, which is awesome.
Okay, where are 2? Where are 2? Okay.
Go, just go!
Okay. Going in.
Go for it, no, he's good.
Land it on top, right?
Yeah.
When everybody's ready to free fire. When everyone's ready to free fire. Are you guys already free fire toward out front?
I'll go right.
Okay, sounds good. Free fire! Free fire! Up front! Free fire up front! Free fire up front!
This round was particularly difficult, being that it was hard to find the bomb, one, and two, it appears that the enemy already has the bomb quite early in the game, while our team has minimal people trying to look for the bomb. I'm waiting for this guy to show up so I can get the drop on him. And that radio kind of gave me away, so I have to go into hiding.
Copy. Hit!
Now that was kind of weird. I did not get hit there. Reason I yelled hit is because it was the first thing that come to my mind. I saw the BB hit that guy, and I was trying to say, "Hey, are you hit?" However, the only thing that came out was hit, so that was kind of confusing. Be sure not to make that mistake in the field. It can get very confusing. Now it does happens, happens, not a big deal, but try to keep those kind of mistakes to a minimum. And if need be, all you need to do is apologize to the player and whatnot to clear everything up.
Yeah. Okay.
I know at this point we're surrounded by enemies, and we're gonna die pretty soon anyways.
I'll cover you on this side.
But we're gonna make the best of it.
You want to crawl into that pit? Or is that too hard?
Whoa, did you see that BB fly right by my goggle? Very close there. Now at this point, I've already slowly crawled through most of the trenches, did not find the bomb, so I'm fearing the worst. And that sound indicate that I got hit, so I'm walking out. And there's the guy who hit me, good job.
Dude, we searched most of the trenches. What else have we not searched that it could be? It's at one place. We have to both have our hands on it. But I've searched most of the trenches, dude. They have it? Alright.
So now I know they have the bomb. We have to march this hill over and over.
Attention, they have the bomb. Rush up to the hill, they have the bomb.
This tiring hill, we have to rush it over and over to try to get that bomb back.
No.
And BBs up here are not gonna fly down to that area.
Let's do it, push up!
Just because there's too much wind and it's too far in distance.
Roger that. Their bomb is near their box! Their bomb is near their box! Alright.
Here's another interesting thing with warp dops. When truck passes by up on the highway, your comms are not gonna work. And trucks passes by this area very often. So I killed two guys thinking it's safe for me to run up into that bunker.
I'm going into the pillbox! Dead! Ah! Head!
I should have known there are more guys up there protecting their bomb.
Come on, radio.
And now my comm has run down on battery.
Running out of battery. Running out of battery. We're really supposed to get that hill because they have the bomb up there. But if they have the bomb up there and most of our troops tired, most likely we're gonna lose. So just decide to break. What? My rear side just decided to snap off.
Isn't that metal?
It is.
So we lost that game. We've won 5 games so far, however, and now this is the ambush game.
So they're all in there, that means. Okay.
Usually here in Warped Ops, they'll play ambush for their last game, where one team, for the last 2 games, where one team would hide anywhere in the map, and the other team must make from point A to point B. The hiding team only has 1 life, and the attacking team has maximum life.
Hey, where's respawn? Hey guys, where's respawn?
Also,
Okay.
whenever you die, but your team has crossed,
We have unlimited, right?
your team has crossed the midpoint, which is at the end of the trenches, you can just run back to the end of the trenches and respawn again. So when you're playing ambush here at Warped Ops, take advantage of that fact as well.
All the rest are over there, so I'm assuming we're good.
Now these hills here are excellent for ambushers to hide at. However, these tall bushes
I know
are
there's somewhere beyond this bush.
also excellent for you to hide
I see 'em.
behind when you see enemy are shooting at you. So one smart thing you can do for this game is you can hide yourself as well.
Oh, there you are. I see you now. Work.
Yeah, the defenders are not the only one who needs to hide. The attackers can also hide, wait for the
Why?
defender to show themselves, and then attack. That's also a
What?
valuable way to win the game, because when defenders are hiding, it's very hard to spot them. But eventually,
I don't know what happened.
most people would lose patience.
Oh, come on, really? Hey guys, listen up. Okay, how about this? We all run up to the flag. If just one person make it to the flag, to unwind the flag, even if we all die, so what? We'll be like meat shield. How's that sound? Yeah.
I guess we're respawn set. We're running out of time.
Yeah, we are. I mean... So do we want to do the meat shield idea? I guess not.
Okay, people don't want to get shot at, I'll go get shot at.
Okay, all of you fire. All of you fire. Fire. All of you fire. Hey! See it?
No, I'm gonna be doing this run over and over. Run there, die, and come back
Okay, you guys saw it?
in attempt to show people where the enemy is. Did it work perfect? No. Obviously, we also lost this round, which is fine. But
Now
at
they see
least
it.
we gave
Okay,
our
let's run
last
back, run back.
push, and that's just what we got. It's all good. Winning isn't everything, but we won 5 games and only lost 2, so I count that day as a win already. And besides, I'm here to have fun. Very soon for Glory, we're gonna give it our last stand.
Alright.
And then I get up and I see that none of my teammates had made it to the flag, which is fine. It was lots of fun.
Oh, you guys didn't make it! Oh, wow.
Well, thanks for watching another episode.
Well, you guys won. Good job.
As always, share, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Airsoft Ninja signing out.